Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for advisors. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of advisors' client churn. People tend to look for better support when they have a hard time finding high-quality answers, and a streamlined scheduling tool helps them get the help they need quickly. Run webinars and training sessions on the go. Create group events so multiple customers can book the same slot. Send automated confirmations and reminders at custom intervals. Automatically send video conferencing links to your audience. Appointlet makes it simple to assist your clients with fast online scheduling. Increase client satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Book more meetings with streamlined scheduling. Reduce no-shows with automated reminders. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.